Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we have content today, and you know what? We're gonna pray, but not on this video. I'm gonna shoot another video, okay? And probably post it in my shorts if I can. If not, it'll just be a total separate video. And I hope I didn't show the address, because this didn't come to my house. This came to somebody else's house. I don't want to show my address and somebody pop up there. Okay, this is Slade Lamb box, or Slade Lamb bag. Okay. Here it is. I found this. I'm like, where's my other thing? Because I think without this one actually being attached or either charging in the case, then the other one doesn't work either. And I used to have some earphones or Bluetooths or whatever you want to call these things. Okay, I'm touching my hair again. It's a hot mess. I'm gonna get me a new. Anyway, it has to be there, so I'm gonna put it there. So here is what's in the bag. My granddaughter loves these. She's learning how to pop them, but they don't really. I may do a video popping them ASMR. But this is my, I think my October. I don't know, but anyway, it's been in the mailbox for a while. And this is Charmacy Milana eyeshadow primer. Okay, so it's clear. Look, it's clear. Oh, wow. I'm excited about trying it, really. Uh-oh, we may have to try it because I'm not ready. Oh, it's cool. It's nice and cool. Okay. Okay. That piece of hair need to go. So a lot of the darkness and the rings around my eyes, even my eyelids. Now this one still look a little dark. This one don't look as dark. I don't know what it is. I can't contribute it to the turmeric soap that I've been using by Angel Cosmetics, but it may be because I haven't been using it that long. It also may be like the way I'm sleeping, the way that I'm lying, with my head propped up a little bit more, because sometimes you lay kind of flat. But okay. So listen, this is a deluxe ultra fine lip liner. Okay, and it's in wine. Look at that. Okay, So this is what it looks like on my lips. Who is it by? It's by, I don't know what this says. This says whatever. I like it. Okay, because that's taking too long. All right, and then we have here, we have Gerard Cosmetic Hydro Mac Long Wearing Long Wearing Lipstick. Okay. And this is what it looks like in this little frosted bottle. Okay. And so, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like a nice Marvy looking shade. Okay, so y'all come close and see what this looks like. Okay, and then we're gonna mess it up and add this for ombre. Been a minute for the makeup, right? Health, wellness, beauty, spiritual. You know, we got you covered. We got you covered. Okay, and then we're gonna go back. Okay, look at this, and so I see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors in here. I know y'all probably can't see it, but y'all see them little lines. I see green, yellow, purple, gold, and silver. Okay, y'all can see it. Y'all see those little different little lines. So do I mix it? So let's see. I don't know if I have the ability to swatch. Oh no, because it's wet. Look how I put a dent in it. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm trying to swatch each individual shade. I did it. Okay. Let's see. It's been a minute, y'all, since I did a. Yeah, they all got different. Ooh, unicorn. Yeah, and they all different shades. Isn't that unique? That's unique. How all of these wow. And last but not least, y'all know what I've been listening